Bullish stepn cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $1.92 and $3.63 by 2030. Market examiners accept GMT could reach $1.49 by 2025. Bearish stepn market cost expectation for 2023 is 34 cents. stepn presentation. As we probably are aware, this video is about stepn cost expectation. On the whole, we should view the fundamental presentation of this cash in the event that you need a decent profit from your productive speculation from it. stepn, the primary NFT drive in light of the transition to procure idea, is a sound way of life application with social money in play to acquire viewpoints. Jerry Huang and Yan Rong, two Australian programming engineers, helped to establish stepn in August 2021. stepn won the 2021 Solana Start Hacking contest prior to getting a $5 million financing round from private value behemoth Sequoia Capital. The green metaverse token, the stepn's administration token, was made accessible on Solana in WAC 2022. Holders of GMT can recommend and settle on project progressions and depository dispersion. Prior to making a stepn cost, we inspect what is GMT. Furthermore, stepn specialized in essential examination. How about we check it out? What is stepn? stepn is a Web3 move to procure portable application with parts for social and gaming finance. Find Satoshi Lab, an Australian fintech studio, is the gathering behind stepn. The venture deals with the Solana blockchain, and its center thought relies upon moving around, which is the vast majority's regular action. At the 2021 Solana Start Hackathon, stepn wrapped the third next in line and was the main task to coordinate the move to procure idea practically. The objective of the game part of stepn is to urge a huge number of clients to embrace a better way of life, battle environmental change, and abstain from driving high-emission vehicles. Then again, the social money part of stepn intends to foster a stage that advances client-created Web3 content. stepn utilizes a two-layered symbolic framework. GMT and GST are the two kinds of tokens accessible in the biological system, and each can be gained in an unexpected way. By finishing explicit in-game errands, players can secure different identifications. The benefits these identifications can offer can be taken advantage of to change how the game is played. Clients who have identifications, for example, may profit from lower stamping costs, extra focuses, administration advantages, or additional energy. The formation of this component is by progressing. stepn crucial examination. Merchants utilize specialized examination to zero in on a resources exhibition, often down to the moment on exchanging diagrams, while major exploration does the specific opposite. Exchanges are zoomed out. This gives them a complete information and comprehension of the resource and the association that upholds it. The real worth of a resource is what crucial examination means to recognize. For instance, by considering various interior and outside rules, you might decide if a cryptographic money is overrated. You have without a doubt heard the maxim, put resources into individuals, not items. This citation basically catches the primary thought of the crucial investigation. Financial backers that stick to major examination contend that the primary indicator of a resource's future exhibition is the organization's solidarity. For financial backers trying to buy economical resources, this is a fantastic strategy. There are many incentives for GMT according to verifiable information. The incentive is improved in light of the fact that it isn't covered. The whole mining environment knows about the advantages of keeping up with the organization. There is no hurry to get to an affirmed hard cap at this moment. Possibilities for the web are settled accordingly. Along these lines, the worth of stepn can increment, further guaranteeing environment development. More stepn can be gotten to keep the environment working accurately. stepn utilization is supposed to develop yearly, raising the money's worth. stepn current cost. stepn is presently worth 42 cents USD. GMT has moved 12.91% as of now with an exchanging volume of $149,982,235. stepn is presently positioned 213 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $256,266,625 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling uniqueness from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for stepn to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous stepn market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. stepn value expectation 2023. stepn, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The GMT cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to 64 cents. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 59 cents in cost is very aggressive, however it is doable soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. GMT is supposed to have a base worth of 51 cents. STEPN value expectation 2024. In 2024, STEPN GMT cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of GMT will before long outperform $1.07. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the GMT's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, GMT will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 85 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 93 cents. STEPN value expectation 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $1.49 and GMT might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. GMT is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.37 and a low of $1.28 in 2025. STEPN value forecast 2026. On the off chance that STEPN effectively supports market opinion among digital money lovers, the GMT coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, GMT will be green in 2026. The GMT is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $1.92, with a base cost of $1.71 and a typical cost of $1.79. STEPN value forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the GMT cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $2.22 by 2027, with a base cost of $2.14 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, GMT has a greatest value worth of $2.35. STEPN value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $2.65. On the off chance that GMT figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $2.78. Neglecting to assemble the help GMT needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $2.56. STEPN value forecast 2029. While GMT is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $2.99 and a yearly cost close above $3.20 in 2029. STEPN value expectation 2030. By 2030, STEPN will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $3.42 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $3.63, averaging out at $3.